I dare you to stay in this Valentine's Day and make this amazing meal. First, we're gonna make our lobster stock with 1 tablespoon of Better Than Bouillon, our lobster shells, chunky garlic, and the trinity, shallots, carrots, and celery. I'm gonna use an herb that I don't typically use, but it goes really well, tarragon. I'm gonna stir this all together with oregano, fresh black pepper, make sure that I coat it really, really well. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of room temperature water. Bring this to a boil and cover it and move on to my lobster. I cut it up in little chunks. Easy, simple seasoning, kosher salt, fresh black pepper, and olive oil. Now to my meat. If you can't find a filet mignon that's already wrapped, you can wrap it yourself. It just keeps everything nice and tight and all the flavors in. Simple seasoning, olive oil, fresh black pepper, kosher salt. Make sure you take that little pinwheel and get it all around. Now, putting that to the side, checking back on our stock. Looks delicious. I'm gonna drain it. We don't want that, but I want that. I'm gonna mix that with the veggies and give it a nice little blend to create the cream. Before I do that, I wanna sear my steaks on each side for about 4 minutes before I incorporate some really good Irish butter with chunky garlic and rosemary. Baste. Put it back into the oven until you get internal temperature of your liking. Back into the pot where I made my stock. Butter, some champagne, another little piece of tarragon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cook a little bit my lobster in this, let it absorb the champagne. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add that lobster cream sauce that we made. That's right, all of it. And then you're gonna incorporate to this a 1/4 cup of creamer. That's right, that's all that you need. Do not add any more salt because after you add the pasta, you're gonna add lots of Parmesan cheese. So wait a little bit. Angel hair pasta going right on in. Sprinkle it with some nice Parmigiano and voila, you're done. It's gonna be an amazing, delicious dinner for 2 and you don't have to tip anybody else. Enjoy.